I just got a new pair of shears in that I wasn't planning on carrying, but as luck would have it, I left one of my flyers in one of my salons, and somebody that I haven't been selling to in quite a long time because she retired, she was in the salon getting her hair done, and she noticed this flyer, and it had this pair of shears on there that she said she used to have, and she had lost them, and she couldn't wait to get a hold of these. And this is like something that I haven't really even carried or even felt before. So when I got it in, I just had to make this video to show you what she ordered. Now, this is probably the most colorful and artistic looking shear that I've seen in quite a long time. So, and I was surprised how good these look and feel. But this is the Mirage TSR shear. I don't know what the T and S and R stand for, but it's actually the TSR2. So what's really cool about these, as you can see, this one has not just a normal swivel, but it has a double swivel. And can you see that? So this one rotates in that plane, and then also this one rotates. And most shears that I have, if they're like a swivel thumb shear, this is an upgrade. But she ordered this, and she said, I used to have one of these. And even though she's retired, she says, I miss these so much, and I still do hair, for my friends and family at home. And she just had to get another pair of these. But as you can see, it's just very nice looking shear. It still has super cobalt material. And so basically, this is one of the most ergonomic shears on the market because of the double swivel thumb. And it has the beautiful rainbow titanium finish. It also includes your finger ring sizers, and she ordered the pink. Let me just show you those. So you get these with every pair of shears. This one also, just like all the others, have a lifetime warranty against faulty materials and workmanship. This is a triple hold titanium scissor that's enhanced with a fully rotating double swivel thumb for maximum movement. So for people that are suffering from carpal tunnel or anything like that, or tendonitis, this is an ideal shear to get. It's the most advanced ergonomic design. Three finger holes allow for best cutting control. It's also forged in Korea, and it's got the V10 Japanese stainless steel. And the titanium rainbow coating is semi-convex, concave cutting blade. Easy to adjust. You got your pink glitter dial with a spring tension leaf system. Dial available in multiple colors, so you can choose from a variety of different colors and styles. And this shear is only available in a 5.75 inch. So this is what you would get. And if you want this type of shear and you don't want the double swivel, it's also available in a single swivel. So the suggested retail on this is $449. However, when you order directly from me, I get you an even better price. And you just can't go wrong with the scissors that I'm getting from scissormall.com. You can go to their website and check them out. But I just strongly encourage you, do not order from them. And if you're in my area, if you try to order, they're going to actually send you my way anyway. But you'll get the best deal that I can give you on a pair of shears. Plus, when you order these, you also get, every shear so far has come in this nice little shear case. And now I've got my business card attached. And that's nice. It's got the Scissor Mall logo on it, so you know you're getting it from genuine Scissor Mall. And then also on the blade itself, let me see if it says, yes. Okay, so you can see on the blade where it says made in Korea, so you know the exact origin. This is not a China-made shear. And then you'll see on this one, let me see if I get it right. So you'll see that it says Scissor Mall. Let me see if it's focusing. Okay. Just trying to give you the best angle on these. So this is how I would normally hold it, because this is a right-handed shear, but I just wanted to show you that side because otherwise you'll miss all of that. But very, very nice cutting shear. One of these days I'm going to get a video with some of my customers using their shears cutting hair. But unfortunately, since I don't have access to live models, I do have some mannequins, but it's just not the same when you're cutting mannequin hair. It's different when you're cutting real hair. But I can't even see well enough to even cut my hair. I know I need a haircut. So maybe when I go to get my haircut, maybe I'll let them use my shears and see how they like them. So if you have any questions, please feel free to message me in the comments. If you like this video, please share it. There's always somebody that needs a new pair of shears if they're a stylist. And if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and also click the bell so you get notified when I upload another video. So that's it for now. Again, if you need a pair of shears, don't hesitate to call me, and I'll put a link to the catalog in the description. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.